Alright, let's look at the thing, a new toy I bought. It's not really a toy, it's a generator. Some USB ports. "12-volt port. On and off switch. Reset switch. Oh, actually, that's the reset switch. Really nothing on that side. On this side, just the choke, on and off, and the pull cord. This is a pure sine wave inverter. On the top, that's where you put the gas at. So you look into the engine and add the oil. This has a CO2 detector or CO detector for carbon monoxide. So it turns itself off if it detects too much of a concentration of it. But as it is, I'll be following what that says.